All right, real quick. And this should work on most Dodges, Chargers, and Challengers from 2012 and upward for the most part. This is how you bypass the rev limiter. You can only do it in park, unfortunately, so you won't be able to do it in drive. So number one, make sure your car is warmed up. Don't do this on a cold start or anything like that. You're gonna destroy your engine. Real quick, all you wanna do, put your car in reverse. Okay, reverse is clearly engaged. Now, take your shift nozzle, you're gonna shift it back into park, but you're not gonna shift it all the way up. You're gonna shift it far enough until you feel the gear of reverse disengage. I'll give you a demonstration right now. Okay, I'm not sure if y'all saw my hand shake. It's been disengaged, but it still shows reverse. So now you're free to go as hard as you want on the gas pedal. So use your left leg, keep your foot on the brake, keep the car steady, and I'm gonna give it gas. That was amazing. Now do this thing sparingly, okay? You don't want to blow your engine or anything like that. All right, but that's how you do it. Good luck, and let me know how y'all sound.